Another peaceful morning on my beat. Or maybe not.
In this world, humans walk on all fours, and cats keep the streets in order.
Police!
You can't escape. I dropped a GPS kibble on you, nya.
Let's hear it. Why the trash can?
I was hungry. And I caught the smell of cat food.
It was for your family.
That's right. How are the kids doing back at home? In this world, no one's truly bad. We're just standing on different paws.
Officer Natsumi, ready for the next case, nya?